student to thousand, from village to city, from zero to hero, from art to smart, from nothing to everything, from ignorance to appreciation.
يا من صليت بكل الأنبياء يا من في قلبك رحمة للناس محمد
Sallallahu alaihi the great teacher of Happiness Institute.
Thank you so much. बहुत कुछ किया है.
Of course, we have eliminated fear.
We have eliminated anxiety.
We have developed confidence.
We have made public
We
speakers.
have transformed lives.
We have given a selection UPSC. We have given a selection in MNC, cabin career, HECA, multiple other things. يا من صليت بكل الأنبياء يا من في قلبك رحمة للناس يا من أنه بالإسلام يا حبيبي يا شفيع يا رسول الله بأمي وأبي فديتك سيدي صلاة والسلام عليك يا نبي حبيبي يا محمد حبيبي يا محمد محمد
Sallallahu alaihi
خاتم الأنبياء محمد.
I am Shabak. I felicitate you all to be present here and make this day special.
Thank you for coming, mastering of the courage to participate, to appreciate, and to be among us.
Thank you to be the part of this remarkable, incredible, and history-creating day.
Ladies and gentlemen, we assure you all for the fulfillment of your hopes, desires, and necessities.
We have a place to mark and make your auspicious time and moment that much special that you can never forget.
Today is the day of achievement, the struggle, the journey covered, the mentorship, the excellent. What Happiness Institute has unveiled in a student.
Yes, absolutely. This is the moment to celebrate the struggle from single student to thousand, from village to city, from zero to hero, from art to smart, from nothing to everything, from ignorance to appreciation.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are not here for celebration, but we are here to eliminating the barriers for achieving what Happiness Institute has arisen. Ladies and gentlemen, it is just a day of saluting those teachers who really contributed each and everything for Happiness Institute. Today is the day of honoring those staff who really contributed through swimming, cleaning, welcoming the guests, handling computer to handling humans and students.
Yes, absolutely, yes, Sadam ma'am. The clean heart of Mr. Mukesh sir, the never-dying desire, the always improving attitude, the honest thought, the convincing power has contributed a lot for the achievements what Happiness Institute has achieved. Thank you so much, sir, for a great effort.
Joseph, the great excellent mentorship, the excellent training methodology, the focused mindset, the attitude of doing everything in a unique way has contributed a lot to achieve milestone.
And Vishal sir, thank you so much, sir, the most energetic, the finest mentor of computer education, the ever smiling, the health conscious, the courageous, the knowledge holder from monitor to motherboard. Thank you for your great support and unique teaching.
I would like to thank
this wouldn't have been possible without each and every one of you. So first of all, before we go any further, I want one thing. Please have a big smile on your face and put your hands together because you are the great justice of the Lord. And one thing I also want from your side. Can you please give me today?
Yes.
Are you sure? I want you all to forget about your work. Forget about that annoying boss of yours who's always asking to submit your work before E or D. So today there is no E or D because we're gonna celebrate it till the evening. So there should be no pressure, no tension, only free mind and enjoy the day. Thank you all for giving round of applause, everybody.
I would like to thank my co-anchor Shafaq. Thank you so much, Shafaq, for your great efforts and unique way of speaking. Has contributed a lot for this institute, and thank you for hosting this event.
Thank you so much, Sadaf ma'am, for this compliment. अरे सदफ मैम ने तो सबकी बातें कर दी, सर लोग की बातें कर दी, मैम की, अपने स्टाफ जो यूपी है, पर मैम आप कुछ भूल रहे हो क्या? आपको नहीं पता? नहीं? All right, Shafaq is here. I will tell. We have Sadaf ma'am with us, everybody. The great teacher of Happiness Institute. Thank you so much. She did all the things and every 100% effort to educate each and every student. She wakes up early in the morning for you, being a girl who has courage to transform and train others. Thank you for your dedication, passion, compassion to transform everybody's personality and communication skill. And thank you so much to take Happiness Institute to this height.
Thank you very much, Shafaq, for this compliment. Now, अपने दिलों को थाम लीजिए क्योंकि कोई और आने जा रहा है। अब आप सोच सकते हो? Yes? Now it's time to thank and congratulate that person who has saved us, you and all, who has established this institute 12 years back, who established this Gurukul and great institution 12 years back, whose hard work, dedication, passion, belief to Happiness Institute from first to earth, from down to high, from earth to the success sky. He is none other than the founder, the director, the chief trainer, the king, the coach of Happiness Institute, Mr. Abdullah sir.
सर एक ही बात कहते हैं तो उनकी तरफ से आज मैं ये आपको कहना चाहती हूँ. So laugh, smile and keep your hearts calm and we promise you to make your journey miraculous and tremendous. ये सुबह आपकी सुहानी हो जाए, दुखों की हर बात पुरानी हो जाए, दे जाए ये नया दिन आपको इतनी खुशी कि खुशी भी आपकी दीवानी हो जाए.
चलिए ठीक है, अभी तो आप लोग ने एंजॉय किया प्रेजेंट को, हैप्पीनेस के बारे में जाना, बट थोड़ा सा मैं रूबरू कराऊंगी पास्ट में आपको लेके चलूं. So we are celebrating here today 12th anniversary. But let's talk about the day, the moment, the month, the year when there was no student, when nobody knew about Happiness Institute. That was the moment of grief, struggle, pain, hard work, but the great dedication of Abdullah sir. But please, my dear friend, believe that moment when nobody knew about Happiness Institute, nobody appreciated about Happiness Institute, no success, no fame, no name, nothing is there, no popularity, but the great dedication of Abdullah sir. आज आप देख सकते हो कि अभी हम ऑडिटोरियम में बैठ के इतना बड़ा प्रोग्राम बना रहे हैं, सारी वो चीजें, सब कुछ वो परेशानियां सहते गए, मुसीबत में रहते गए, आज उनके लिए जोरदार की तालियां हो जाए, सारा उन्हीं की वजह से हो रहा है.
Yes, our special guest, Sadaf ma'am is absolutely right. She spoke about the past. But now I'm going to tell you the present moment of Happiness Institute. She's absolutely right. But now we are in the Delhi ka dil and celebrating the 12th anniversary. And Happiness Institute has trained more than 50,000 students from its offline and online training. Happiness Institute is known as the best public speaking and personality development institute in Delhi NCR. We receive students across India for our offline training and students from different countries for our online training.
देते हैं।
चलो ये तो बता देते हैं कि हैप्पीनेस इंस्टीट्यूट में किया क्या है।
बहुत कुछ किया है।
Of course, we have eliminated fear.
We have eliminated anxiety.
We have developed confidence.
We have made public
We
speakers.
have transformed lives.
We have given a selection UPSC. We have given a selection in MNC, cabin career, HECA, multiple other things.
And especially UPSC.
Selection. आपको पता ही होगा.
Let's move in.
Future.
Of course, everybody.
Now we are coming with a multiple other project, training institution, branches, and we are coming to you.
Hey Rajasthan, we are coming to you.
Hey Mukherjee Nagar, I am coming to you.
Hey Bihar, we are coming to you.
Shaheen Bagh, we are coming to you.
Hey Madhya Pradesh, we are coming to you. Mumbai, we are coming to you.
Karol Bagh, we are coming to you.
Yes, we will be corporate training, mind blowing, life skilling, and many more.
Happiness Institute has placed to change many transformation and changes.
Yes, and now I would like to one thing here. हम कुछ बताने जा रहे हैं वो हमारे बारे में भी होगा, आपके बारे में होगा. अब ये समझिए कि हर इंसान के बारे में है वो चीज. When I came first time on the stage, it was like, oh my God, I cannot do this. But the step I took to change my personality, that shaped me, that changed me completely, that built my confidence to be here among distinguished personality and multiple and charming faces.
Yes, Safar, you are absolutely right. Same situation was with me. When I got a step, I tried. I used to fumble, fear a lot, but believe me, my dear friend, when I fell, I got up with great force and energy. And when the entire world would not judge me, I did not lose my hope. When the people was criticize me, I did not demotivate myself.
Yes, absolutely, ladies and gentlemen. The power of putting first step and doing something is the greatest achievement. And I would like to congratulate you all for lifting up the courage, for believing in you, for taking the first step, for competing to this competitive world, for preparing yourself. And now one thing, हिंदी में बोलना चाहूंगी आप लोगों के लिए. गिराएंगे आपको आपके रास्ते, आपको तो आपकी मंजिल उठाएंगे. चोट देंगे आपको आपके रास्ते, मलहम तो आपकी मंजिल लगाएंगे. और गिराएंगे आपको आपके रास्ते, आपको तो मंजिल उठाएगी. ये दुनिया मोहब्बत देकर भी नफरत दे जाती है, पर सच्ची जिंदगी तो मंजिल कर जाएगी.
Yes. तो चलिए मैं भी कुछ हिंदी में बता देती हूँ. नींद में नहीं, जागकर सपनों का पता चलता है. क्या गाइस? नींद में नहीं, जागकर सपनों का पता चलता है. खुशी में नहीं, दुख में अपनों का पता चलता है. यूं ही कई रास्ते भटककर सही रास्तों का पता चलता है. यूं लड़खड़ाते ठोकरें खाने के बाद अपनी ताकत का पता चलता है. If you fail today, it's all right. If you fail today, it's all right. If you're hopeless, it's all right. If you can't speak, dance, act, sing, it's all right. But if you give up, it's not all right. If you give up, it's not all right. If you just get demoralized, it's not all right. If you be hopeless, it's not all right. If you get sad in your life, it's not all right. So please do that thing which is all right. Okay?
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now